Investing is a powerful way to build wealth over time. It's about putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate to help it grow. Why invest? To outpace inflation and secure your financial future. Start by setting clear goals. Think about what you want in the short, medium, and long term. Assess your financial situation, have an emergency fund, pay down high-interest debt, and know how much you can invest each month. Understand your risk tolerance. It varies based on your age and financial situation. Choose your investment style, whether you want to manage it yourself, use a robo-advisor, or hire a financial advisor. Learn about your options. Stocks can offer high returns but come with risks, while bonds provide steadier returns. Open an investment account, develop a strategy focusing on diversification, and stay informed about market trends. Monitor your portfolio regularly and adjust as life changes. Remember to avoid common pitfalls like lack of diversification and emotional decisions. Start small and stay consistent. Over time, even small contributions can lead to significant growth.